How to transfer a project from a tablet to a tablet using the Kluch online service. I choose the project, this one. Click Edit button, Share and Copy. In Settings, here in Online, I can insert the link with this project. So you can transfer this link to another country if you want. So you take another tablet and here you insert exactly the same code and download. So the project is downloading. So the project added to Co. OK. So the project will be downloaded on your device and will be available in the download directory.